Angela, and what like some of the stuff you're seeing and all that jazz.
Once the audio files are submitted as for a finished audiobook, I will take them and go through them, make sure that they are to what we call ACX standard, meaning that the RMS levels are correct, the peak amplitude is correct, the room tone at the head and tail are correct. All of those things, I make sure that there aren't any major issues with noise floor or intermittent noise throughout the files. And same kind of thing, Gabby. I'm seeing most of what I'm having to fix is the room tone at the head and tail, mostly the
Mm.
head. Lots with room noise or noise floor issues. So I'm having to go through and see if I could reduce that without completely destroying the audio in the process. But that's only been a handful. But I think the majority of what I see is RMS issues or peak amplitude issues.